Hello guys, today we are back with new video. In this video we will see the Google's new Halloween features which they have recently updated in the Google app. If you want to try these cool Halloween features then you should watch this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So starting with our first feature. So for the first feature, you need to turn on your Google Assistant and you need to say, "Hey Google, haunt my house." You will come across one scary house and you will hear some spooky noises.
Let the haunting begin.
So let's move to our second feature. So for the second feature, open your Google application and type Halloween. Scroll down a bit and you will see one game which you can play. Tap on play now to play the game. In this game you will be given a character of a cat and the name of the cat is Momo. By using this character you need to save the school from the ghost. To defeat the ghost, you just need to draw a line on the screen which the ghost contains on its head. So I will only show you till level 2 because I don't want to spoil the levels of the game. So if you want to enjoy this game then go and enjoy this game. So without wasting any time, let's move to our third Halloween feature. For that, search Halloween on Google. Scroll down to the ghost and click on View in 3D to see the ghost in 3D view. You can make use of any ghost character in the video which you want to make. So let me show you one video clip how it will look like. So let's move to our fourth Halloween feature. For this you need to say, "Hey Google, sing a Halloween song" on the Google Assistant. Google Assistant will play a special Halloween song for you.
It's Halloween time, and I'm here to help the werewolf whose howl is more like a yelp. The ghost with its sheet all wrinkled and stained. The vampire with a cavity, what a pain. Oh, how they feel so sad and low. I'll need to do a search and find them info. A voice class for the werewolf every full moon. Dry cleaning for the ghost, it will look spitty soon. A dentist for the vampire and clean fangs too. Halloween will be fun. Now how can I help you?
So let's move to our next feature. For this you need to say, "Hey Google, what should I be for Halloween?" And Google will provide you the following relevant information.
Oh, sure, I can help with that. But first, let me finish this safe and responsible trick or treater video chat. Okay kids, go ahead and ring the bell over there.
Trick or treat.
Great costumes. Grab some candy from your own bowls. Thanks for wearing masks.
Thank you.
See you next year.
So Google Assistant will ask you some questions which you need to answer.
Okay, let me ask you a few questions. When you need to wipe off something gross from your chin, what do you do? You make a few quick calculations. Okay, got it. Get ready. You should be a hipster librarian. Shh. You seem long overdue for a pair of trendy eyeglasses and stylish, but sensible shoes. Also, have fun trick or treat.
So that's all for today guys. So if you like the video then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe because we bring to you the recent and quality contents for you. So thank you for watching this video and let's meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe.